Good morning students. Today I am going to explain a very important questions module wise, that is module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5 of the subject microcontroller and embedded system, which is for 4th semester VTU syllabus CSE ISC students as per 2018 scheme. I am going to give you a few important questions of each module. The module 1 give comparison between microprocessor and microcontroller. In module 1 you can expect the question, give the comparison between microprocessor and microcontroller, you can expect for 4 marks. Second question, explain ARM core data flow model with a neat diagram. This question is for 10 marks. Explain the architecture of a typical embedded device based on ARM core with a neat diagram. Explain the architecture of a typical embedded design based on ARM core with a neat diagram. This question you can expect for 6 marks. Question number 2, another alternative for module 1 is, questions are, first question, give comparison between RISC and CISC. You can expect for 6 marks. Comparison between RISC and CISC. Second question, explain the programmer's model of ARM processor with a complete register sets available. This question you can expect for 8 marks. Explain the programmer's model of a ARM processor with complete register sets available. Third one, explain the various fields of current program status register CPSR. Explain the various fields in program status register. Current program status register, very important question, that is for 6 marks. Explain the various fields in current program status register, it is nothing but CPSR. These are the few questions you can expect in the module 1 for microcontroller and embedded system. Second module, that is question number 3, list the features of ARM instructions. List the features of ARM instruction. Second question, write a short note on swap instruction with examples with respect to ARM processor. Write a short note on swap instruction with examples with respect to ARM processor. Write a note on register allocation. List the features of ARM instruction, you can expect for 6 marks. Write a short note on swap instruction with example with respect to ARM processor, 6 marks. Write a note on register allocation, you can expect for 8 marks. Question number 4, write about branch instruction with example for each. You need to explain branch instruction and explain any 1 or 2 examples, depends upon the number of marks. If it is 6 marks, take 2 examples and explain, each carries 3 marks. That is, you have to explain the type of branch instruction with an example. Explain coprocessor instruction of ARM processor. Explain coprocessor instructions of ARM processor, you can expect for 6 marks. Write a note on profiling and cycle counting. Write a note on profiling and cycle counting. This question you can expect in the module 2, which may carry around 8 marks. Module number 3, that is question 5, what is a sensor? List a sensor specification, explain different type sensor. What is sensor? List sensor specification, explain different type sensors for 8 marks. What is embedded system? Differentiate between a general purpose computer and an embedded system for 6 marks. What is an embedded system? Differentiate between a general purpose computer and an embedded system, 6 marks. Third question, compare between RAM and ROM, FPGA and ASIC. Compare between RAM and ROM and FPGA and ASIC. Each question carries 3 marks. RAM and ROM, the differences you have to mention 3 points and 3 marks. FPGA and ASIC 3 questions and 3 marks. Or you can expect another question, explain the purpose of embedded system. Expect for 8 marks. Explain the purpose of embedded system, you can expect for 8 marks. Explain the classification of embedded system based on generation and based on complexity and performance. Classification of embedded system based on generation and based on complexity and performance, you can expect for 6 marks. Then third question, in the question number 6, you can expect the question, explain SPI and optocoupler. Explain SPI and optocoupler. Then coming to the module 4, before that SPI and optocoupler you can expect for around 6 marks. Module 4, describe various quality attributes of embedded system. You can expect module 4, describe various quality attributes of embedded system. Explain embedded firmware design and development. Explain embedded firmware design and development for 6 marks. Write a short note on automotive communication buses. Write a short note on automotive communication buses, expect for 6 marks. Question number 8 of module 4 is, explain application specific embedded system with an example as washing machine. Explain application specific embedded system with an example as washing machine. Explain the following DFD, data flow diagram. Sequential program model. Both the question you can expect for 3 marks. First question, application specific embedded system with an example of washing machine, 8 marks. Explain data flow diagram and sequential program model, you can expect for 6 marks. Third question is, what is embedded firmware development language? Explain embedded C and C language. What is embedded firmware development language? Embedded C and C language you can expect for 6 marks. And last question is your module 5. Module 5, what is task? Explain task state model. What is boundary scan? Explain. Write a short note on multiprocessing and multitasking. Write a short note on multiprocessing and multitasking. Expecting for 6 marks. What is boundary scan? Explain, 6 marks. What is task? Explain task state model, 8 marks. Thank you for listening and keep studying during the COVID time. Thank you, students.